shit, I'm scared.
I'm going next.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Ready? Go! No.
Wah, wah, wah.
Over there, that was the scariest part. I said, ding, nope, no farther.
Alright, let's see what Sun-Sun's got.
What was I supposed to do?
I don't know. Yeah, you're short. Come on, give it back to your sisters. This dude right here. Come on, get off and go give it to your sisters. Don't be selfish. Yeah, I don't know. Are you bleeding?
That's not blood.
What is?
Water and sand.
How'd you get sand?
It's straight dirt,
Sand
dude.
doesn't look dirty.
I want a shot.
I'll give you a shot.
Oh man.
You try it, Lou?
They failed! Let's see. Bring it back to Dad.
My blackness is coming out. I'm getting ashy.
Come on, Dad.
Ghost. You get a little rubber burn on the inner of your thighs.
Oh!
Oh, your ass saved that.
Alright, Lou.
Do a backflip.
Then it's my turn. Wait. Oh yeah, it's still your turn after Lou.
Watch out!
He gave a little giggle. Thought maybe he knew some ancient
It's
tricks.
your turn.
I don't know what I want to do.
Did you get my X right?
Yes, I did.
I'm the man. That's
Then
why.
it's my turn.
Yeah, that's not a very comfortable ladder.
No.
Come on, monkey. Sorry.
Black
Sorry.
monkey.
Oh! Woo! Get some of this! Ah, it's falling down! It's falling down! Oh crap! Woo! Oh, fun! Oh, it's hanging on! It's hanging on by short.
Hey, come here, my
Here.
banana.
Record! Dad! It's my... Hey, you record.
Almost died. Asshole. Go ahead. You're a fucking hater, that's all. I see you fall in the future.
Fine. You have to go and then you just have to do your arm strength first. Ready?
He's gonna mess it
That.
up. He didn't even do anything.
Man, let your sister show you how to do it. Get off.
My turn. Your turn.
Let your sister show you how to do it.
Wow, I did good.
Did the same thing you did last
You
time.
did it. We're both gonna stay up.
That was monkey. Because they're holding on to each other.
Ready?
Yeah.